Okay, so in this problem we've got, oh my gosh, we got to turn this big long thing into that tangent over, oh my gosh. Let's just start distributing. We multiply everything by 5. That seems easy enough. And then we multiply everything here by 4. They're practically begging us to do this, so let's just do it. And now let's see here. Well, now I think I probably can get everything over onto one side. You notice how they're all sines and cosines. So let's go ahead and subtract everything, and let's make it as small as possible. So I minus 4 sine and minus 8 cosine on both sides. And so then that's going to give me 10 sine minus 4 sine, or 6 sine. And then negative 5 minus 8 is negative 13 cosine. And it's equal to 0. All right, now you notice we've only got cosines and sines and a number 0. And so what we can do is divide everything by cosine, because remember tangent's equal to sine over cosine, and we divide everything by cosine, and we're going to come up with a tangent somewhere. So we divide by cosine, divide by cosine. This first guy is going to be a 6 tangent, theta. And then the cosines are going to cancel out, give me negative 13. And then 0 divided by cosine is still 0. So now I'm just going to add the 13 on both sides and then divide by 6. And lo and behold, I'm going to have tangent theta is equal to 13 over 6. In this problem, they're practically telling me what to do by showing me the parentheses and the numbers. Anyway, now they want me to solve it. And you'll notice that this is exactly what the original was in the top part of the problem. So I'm going to start solving it by using what I ended up with, tangent theta equal to 13 over 6. So now all I got to do is find the angles and use the inverse to do that. So I do tangent negative 1 of 13 over 6, and that's going to be my angle. When I plug that in, I'm going to find out that my angle is going to be 65.225 degrees. And keep in mind, I am going to talk about degrees. Notice the range. I'm going between 0 and 360. And I draw a quick circle. I get 65.2. And tangent is going to be, I can just move adding and subtracting 180 degrees. Well, if I subtract 180 degrees, I'm going to be below 0. So that's not going to work. So if I add 180 degrees, that's going to give me 245.22. And if I add another 180 degrees, I'm going to go over the 360. So that's all I've got. So these are my two angles, and I've answered the question, and I'm all done. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.